Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best Bluetooth FM transmitter Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Nulaxy Bluetooth FM Transmitter. In addition to being a good wireless FM transmitter, this transmitter has a few extra features hidden away in its simple, compact design. The transmitter pairs well with most smart and mobile devices capable of Bluetooth connectivity. More than that, it's also compatible with many digital assistants like Siri and Alexa to play hands-free music automatically. The overall build quality is on the high end for a transmitter at this price range. While plastic, the exterior has a rigid feel that doesn't have too much give when you are moving it around. The sound delivery is also good and lacks any noticeable distortion unless it's near a major source of interference. This transmitter, however, can be inconvenient in a couple of ways. First, the adjustable neck is on the stiff side and requires some force to get it into a good position to see while driving. Secondly, the lack of set channels also makes it difficult to find an empty frequency if you travel between different cities or regions on a consistent basis. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lencent Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Standing out for its backlit, sleek design, this Bluetooth FM transmitter is excellent for dated rides. If you've restored an older model or have a vintage car, this is a clever way to get the best of both worlds. It plugs directly into your DC port, the backlight turning on automatically. Pairing with your system easily, it is also compatible with a wide range of other mediums. You can plug in a microSD card, USB cords, or simply opt for a streaming service through your phone. Featuring a high-quality microphone, you get crisp audio and the person on the other end of the call can hear you clearly too. It is compatible with just about any device on the market and has an impressive range. Running between 87.5 and 108 MHz, it accesses more stations than most without dealing with interference. Easy to use at night, the controls are user-friendly and the system itself is extremely durable. Naturally, there are some downsides to this design. For starters, it isn't adjustable. The design is restricted to the placement of your 12-volt port. Also, it isn't the easiest to pair. Once you're set up, it's fine, but expect to spend a few minutes getting started. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sumind Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter comes with 2 USB ports, one being a smart charger, and is compatible with a wide range of devices. What sets this smart device apart from the rest is its large 1.7-inch LCD backlight display with intuitive controls. The large display is enough to display the song name, your car's battery level, or the incoming phone number. The best part is that the display unit is supported with a 270-degree gooseneck, which you can adjust for a more comfortable viewing angle. As for the intuitive controls, it has a multi-function button for controlling the volume, 2 buttons on the left for adjusting the frequency, and 2 more buttons on the right for skipping to the next or previous track. The main issue is that it may take a toll on your car's battery. The display will indicate the battery voltage, but it may not be 100% accurate. To be on the safe side, press the next song key for about 5 seconds to turn off the unit when it's not in use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Imden Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Working as the go-between for your phone and your car, this Bluetooth FM transmitter is a good option. It features dual USB charging ports, which allows you to reboot more than one device concurrently. It's quick charging, too, as it boots back up your tech at around 80% added efficiency. Complete with all the Bluetooth standards, like static suppression and high-fidelity controls, it also touts a powerful microphone. The call quality is clear and the secure connection prevents dropped calls. You can use this simple device to control your soundtrack, skin the radio, and take calls. The buttons are accessible and it takes up very little space, which enables you to get the full function of the transmitter without compromising access to the rest of the vehicle. Small and sleek, the Imden is definitely worthy of an honorable mention. Now, keep in mind that the petite nature of it has perks, but also downsides. On the plus side, it's compact. On the downside, it adds to the likelihood of leaving it behind. It can drain your battery if left in place, so be sure to keep the adapter in mind to prevent issues. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Imden Bluetooth FM Transmitter. If you're looking for something that will actively contribute to the function of your car, then this model Bluetooth FM transmitter is a good pick. It touts a stable Bluetooth connection that links efficiently. By incorporating a large LCD screen and easy-to-manage interface, this transmitter takes older vehicles to a new level. Ideal for retrofitting an older ride with modern tech, simply plug it into the DC port of your car and the up-to-date Bluetooth tech takes care of the rest. Built to dampen road noise and prevent vibrations, it remains durable over the long term. Performing consistently, this set is compatible with both Siri and Google Assistant. With an adjustable angle, this transmitter is a worthy candidate overall. It's worth mentioning that there are some downsides to its bulky design. Yes, you can adjust it, but since it is much larger than other options, it risks getting in the way of your shift controls. Consider where the DC adapter is located on your vehicle before making your pick. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.